Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. We are back with another wig install, and today's wig is from Luvmehair. Now this is one of their newest drops, so I don't have all the details right in front of me yet. However, by the time you guys see this video, it will be linked in the description box down below. What we are promoting today is the fact that this particular wig has an all-day curl hold. So I actually did a time test. I believe I installed this wig a little bit before 4 p.m. and I went out and I had stuff to do or whatever. This was over the weekend, so I had plans, and I actually did not come back on camera until after 2 in the morning. So I will be showing you guys what the wig looked like around 2 in the morning as far as the curls and how well they held up. Now, one thing that I love about this wig in particularly is that the lace is beautiful. As you guys can see, she melted very easily. You do not have to use any product. If you choose to use spray, you most definitely can. However, it is not required. Also, this wig fit very well on my head. You guys know I used to complain about how Luvmehair wigs fit on me before. It seems as though they made some adjustments to their wig caps, and this one fit very comfortably. It was very lightweight. It was very airy. I felt like my scalp was able to breathe still. It was very comfortable, and overall this was just a very good wig unit. I definitely believe that this is a great beginner friendly wig, and it is an all-day wig, which we love. Just a quick note, I'm pretty sure that this wig is 180% density. I have this wig in 24 inches, and this is also 100% human hair, but again, the direct link will be listed in the description box down below for you guys to check out. As always, I'm giving you guys some close-ups of this wig unit. As you guys can see, that lace is a nice thin HD lace, which we love. The wig cap is designed to fit comfortable around your ears, and also the back strap is adjustable, and I have mine at the tightest setting, and they also send you an additional adjustable elastic band just in case you need a little bit extra security. But when I threw her on, she fit very nicely, so I did not need to use that. I went ahead and used my wax stick and my comb per the usual just to get all the hair away from the lace. I'm going to give you guys a close-up and show you what it looks like without me adding any product. Now, as you guys know, I personally prefer to add a little bit of spray to my lace closures. That's just what I do, but it is not necessary. You can definitely go ahead and just add some makeup on this lace if you need to. You don't need to add glue. You don't need to go in with lace spray. Anything additional is strictly your preference, which is why I wanted to show you guys what it looked like before I added anything, and it looked great. So right now I'm just playing with the hair a little bit. I'm giving you guys a close-up as to what these curls look like. I did not touch up anything. This is strictly how the curls came out of the box. They wanted to give you like a nice layered, loose, flowy type of curl look, so that's pretty much what it looks like, and I like this type of look. I like the fact that it looks nice and flowy, and I appreciate the fact that it looks flowy but it doesn't look messy. So right now it's a little bit after 4. As you guys can see, I was listening to Alkaline, big up me Vendetta gal them. And then I came back around 2 in the morning. I almost forgot about you guys. My makeup is off at this point, but I wanted to give you guys some close-ups of the curls to show you how it held up. Now, I was not outside 100% of the time. It's been a little humid in New York, so I'm pretty sure the curls would have looked a little bit messier if I was actually outside, but I did go out. So just so you guys are aware, this is actually a wear test. And since the curls are the main focus of this video, this is what the curls look like after I had wore it for over 6 to 8 hours. And I wanted to show you guys from the back how flowy it still is, how intact the curls still are, and it doesn't look super messy. Okay, and that is all for today's video, you guys. Straight into the point. The point of this video was to show you guys not only how quick and easy it was to install this wig unit, but how long the curls last, and the hair still looked smooth and it wasn't frizzy or anything like that. The lace was still melted and it was still undetectable. So that is what we love. I truly appreciate the color of the lace, and I truly appreciate how thin the lace was. I think that really helps to make the hairline look extremely natural. And then of course, if you send me a wig that's pre-styled, that's less the work, and we love that. So again, make sure you guys check out my description box down below. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'll see you next time.